I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use App Library on your iPhone to quickly find your apps.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to navigate to your App Library by swiping all the way past your home screens to the left as far as you can go. You'll see the app categories organized into folders like Suggestions or Recently Added. Tap a folder inside to see the apps within that particular category. Now you can also tap the search bar at the very top for quick access if you want to search a particular app. Now lastly, you can either tap the search bar or scroll down towards the top, and then you will have a list of apps by their letter, and you can quickly scroll along this particular alphabet here to find any app based on the first letter of its name. Now you should be able to quickly find any app you're looking for.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.